In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to leave a Notion workspace. Whether you're cleaning up your digital environment or just stepping away from a project, leaving a workspace you no longer need is a straightforward process. Let's break it down step by step so you can do it with confidence. First things first, you'll want to open Notion on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account so you have access to all your workspaces. If you're using the desktop app or accessing Notion through your web browser, ensure you're working on the latest version for the best experience. Once you have Notion open, it's time to navigate to the workspace you wish to leave. If you're part of multiple workspaces, you'll need to switch to the correct one first. To do this, simply locate your workspace switcher, which is typically on the left-hand sidebar. From there, click on the specific workspace you intend to leave. Now that you're inside the workspace, you'll need to access the settings. This is just as simple. On the left side, look for the Settings option. Depending on your Notion plan, this might appear under different labels such as Settings and Members, or just Settings. Give it a click, and in doing so, you'll be taken to where you can manage all things related to your workspace membership. Once you're in the settings, go to the People section. Again, depending on your plan, you might see this labeled as Members. This is the section where you can view all the people associated with the workspace, including yourself. You might need to scroll a little to find your profile entry, especially if it's a busy workspace with many members. When you find your name, you'll notice there's a small but handy one-geek menu next to it. This is your gateway to leave the workspace. Click on this menu and a list of options will appear. Look for the option that says Leave Workspace. After selecting Leave Workspace, you'll be prompted to confirm your choice. This step is important because it ensures that leaving the workspace is indeed what you want to do. Be sure to read any prompts carefully to avoid any unintended actions. Confirming this action will take you out of the workspace, effectively reducing clutter and refocusing your Notion on the spaces you actively use. And that's it. By following these simple steps, you can easily leave a Notion workspace anytime you need. It's a small task that can make your digital life feel a bit more organized. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe for more tips and tricks like this one. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.